All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about having one of those weeks. All right, well, I'm not having one of those weeks. Well, I kind of am. Unfortunately, today was not a fun day. We had Zach, the new guy, has had some problems with a Land Rover he's having fun with. He's working on a Land Rover, having fun. He's doing good, by the way. Put a new steering rack in a power steering pump. Of course, Land Rover took forever getting us the pump, but he got the rack in. He has struggled here and there, but job went pretty well. Gets it all buttoned up, cranks it up, letting it run, bleeding out the power steering system, and it's pouring fluid out of the bottom of the truck. Nothing he did. Unfortunately, fail on Maverick's part. The Maverick rack we put in it, seal on the passenger side, not doing a damn thing, like they forgot to put it in. So unfortunately, he gets to do it again. Now, before anybody goes, oh, well, Flat Rate, he's going to get it, he gets paid for it again. It's warranty. We're going to cover him. So, it sucks for him because he doesn't want to do it again, but he should be a lot faster this time. But, the joys of auto repair. Sometimes you get bad parts. Now, Bam Bam, on the other hand, he's having fun too. Oddly enough, the guys not having problems in the shop are Jesse and Josh and me, though I had some earlier in the week, but not, to the scale. Bam Bam doing a bunch of repairs to the cooling system on an Audi, and unfortunately, on the thermostat, he cut the O-ring going back in, and it was pouring coolant out. And he decided to use a block of wood to jack the engine up a little bit to get the coolant to stop pouring out of it so he could clean it up and put it back together. And unfortunately, he cracked the oil pan. So we got a new oil pan coming. Shop's gonna eat it. Just one of those parts of being an auto repair shop. Sometimes you get to eat a repair. So Bam Bam will put a pan on it. It'll be good. Hopefully the thermostat won't leak again. But just been one of those weeks. Hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.